In this video, I'll show you how to enhance old Christmas video memories using the new integrated Topaz enhancer that offers premium video enhancement, bringing back old footage to life. This feature requires an AI credit subscription that you can learn more about at videoconverter.wondershare.com. In case you don't have the UniConverter yet, also go to videoconverter.wondershare.com and download it for your Mac or Windows computer. So what is new about the Topaz integration? Topaz Generative Enhancement is the world's first diffusion-based model for video upscaling. Diffusion-based video upscaling essentially means enhancing the video by analyzing multiple surrounding frames simultaneously. It offers and delivers industry-leading detail reconstruction and ultra-stable temporal consistency. This model is perfect for restoring old footage, enhancing low-quality clips, and professional-grade video cleanup. And it's exactly what we're going to use it for. So let's open the UniConverter and then look for the Video Enhancer AI in the top right corner of the interface. Next, import your selected video. Now, while the Video Enhancer can do bulk enhancement, the integrated Topaz enhancer is not necessarily for bulk enhancement as it uses much more credits. If you want to enhance videos in a batch, I'd recommend you using the native enhancement features of the UniConverter. So import your video or the few clips that you'd like to enhance. And now choose the Topaz Generative Enhancement down here. As you can see, you can choose between 1080p and 4K enhancement. Now, 4K enhancement will cost more AI credits, but will obviously deliver even better results. So choose whichever one you prefer, then select an output folder and click on Export All. The process might take some time, so I'll be right back with the results. Okay, let's look at them. The enhancement is incredibly significant. Now, here's an idea for you. Now that you have your old Christmas footage enhanced, you can edit them into a heartfelt Christmas montage video. I recommend you using a tool of your choice, something that you're comfortable with, but alternatively, the merger tool in the UniConverter can combine these footage into one single video in no time. The merger tool is in the video section of the UniConverter, so open it up, then import your clips. Then down here, select your output format and your output folder, and finally click on Merge All. What this tool will do is literally just merging all these clips together into one single clip. Alright, this was enhancing old Christmas footage with the new integrated Topaz video enhancer. If you found this tutorial helpful, leave a like on this video and subscribe to the channel for more. Thank you for watching, I'll catch you in the next video.